Hello. Rare opportunity to get a look into the nest because now the mom is in there all the time. So I'm gonna try and do this quick before mom or dad comes back because there's two coming around this nest. Weird. Like they'll come up here, right there, hop on there, go in there and hand mama some food to give to them, I guess. But alright. Oh man, is there still an egg in there? Wow, there's still an egg in there. That's weird looking. Okay, so we have four. Unless that egg's broken open, I'm pretty sure she gets rid of them whenever they're hatched. Look at that dude's hair. Oh yeah. It's not lunchtime yet. I should probably get out of here so you could eat though. Okay, so I guess there's four of them. That egg does look like it's still intact, so I'm not so sure about that one.